Hi, this is an unboxing of 4 budget friendlies. I have 4 more budget friendlies, and these are in a series. These are ones I bought at a bin store when I first started out. And I have one out of the package already because I couldn't see the number and I wanted to make sure it was part of the set, and it is. So we're going to open them in order. Okay, this one's going to be number 2 though. All right. These are scenery, landscape type of stuff. And I believe one is water, but I can't really tell with the pictures, but you guys wanted to see them, and I'm going to show them off to you. And if these tickle your fancy, shoot me an email and let me know. If you want them, cover shipping, let me know. Make me an offer. And keep in mind, I paid maybe $2 a piece for them. So just want to throw that out there. Maybe $3 a piece, but still, what's a buck amongst friends, right? All right, let's see. Okay, this one is number YZ7381. So the last 3 digits are 381. It's a 30 by 40. And these all have the same color code. So the number 160 is going to be the same for this one and the other 3. I still have the other ones that I unboxed. So let me look. This one doesn't have a number 160, but let's see. I'm digressing, guys. So let's look. Okay, 327. Do they have it? No. 334. Nope. Okay, let's go to 500. 550, 550. So 550 in here is both purple. It's the same color drill. So these and this set have the same DMC codes. Because remember, they do vary. A 160 in the budget friendlies may not be a 160 shade like in Dreamer Design or Diamond Art Club. So keep that in mind. Okay, so here is the image. This is the way it goes. Abstract. So let's get the drill field looks good. It's got a rough back. 23 colors. No special drills. And the stick is pretty good. So, and here are the drills. It's a round. Let's try. Let's try doing it this way. Oh, that's better. A lot of grays and blues, but it looks like a pretty color palette. So really can't tell what this is going to look like. I think it's just colors. Abstract, right? So you got 23 colors, and there's some purples in here. I'm not going to take it out. I'm just going to see if I get a better view by opening it. Okay. Nah. There's some pretty ones. Some light blues and a white. pretty blue there. So that's your color palette for this one. And this tells you the number. So number 5, you go number 5 here, it's going to be 334. But that number's not on here. This goes by the number on the table. So number 4 is number 4. But the DMC number is not written on the bag. The number you see is the number of the canvas. And this one doesn't match. What the flip? All right, this is number 384, which is not this canvas. But, all right, let's see what we got here. We're not going in order, guys. If you like it, just remember the number. Now we are looking at YZ7382. Good thing I looked at these guys because the drills in here, see, that says 383 and this is 382. So this one's another abstract. I don't know how else to describe it, but it has 24 colors. So we're going to keep going till we find the colors. Wow. And these didn't come with toolkits. If they did, I've taken them out. And I'm the one that messed this up. Okay, this is 384. So this is the drills for 384. That was the one I opened. These drills go with this one. 22 colors. So 22, 384. So these are the drills that I opened before that go with this, which makes more sense. Okay. So this one is 384. 384. Let's get them to the way they're supposed to be. Okay. And now this is 382. And these are drills 382. And these have a lot more color. Although there's only 24 colors, but the color palette is pretty. It's brighter. See that? It's a brighter color palette. Yep. See, to me, these look like a pixelated mess, and it might not to you. Those look pretty. This looks like it's going to be a colorful piece. I don't know what it's going to be, but it'll be a colorful piece. That looks like an eye. So I guess this could be like a squid. I don't know. An eel. Use your imagination. You can make it whatever you want to make it. So this one is 382. All right. And then we have YZ383. Another abstract one. When I first bought them, I thought they were like of the water. I thought they were beach scenes. This is 24 colors. This is 383, which is this strip of diamonds right here. And it's got some pretty colors too. Very abstract. If you like abstract, you'll love these. Much prettier. Yeah, the colors are very, very pretty. So if you like colorful, you might want 383. These are good teaching ones too. They're not, I wouldn't consider them beginner, but any diamond painting can be beginner. Let me explain. When you just do a small square at a time, don't worry about the whole image. Do a small area at a time and just pay attention to each letter. I mean, you're still going to do color for color, whether it's a simple one or a large one. So you just go by a small section so you don't get overwhelmed, complete the section, then you can reveal more and just kind of keep going. Before you know it, you'll have this done. And then you can send me a picture of what it looks like. So this is 383. And let's make sure we get that in there. Apparently I mixed them up. No special drills in these. And this is 381. And this is strip 381. And it has 23 colors. And here are the correct drills. That's why I really didn't see any purple in the other ones. See the purple? Makes sense to me now. So 381 is that one. So I hope you were paying attention with the numbers. They're all 30 by 40. So if you want one, get them while they're hot. They're not really hot. You know what I mean? Just let me know which one you want. And I'm going to try to put these back in their bags. Got one. And I can include a toolkit. You just let me know. Actually, I'll make sure you get a toolkit. All right, let's see what else. I can do it. I did it. So we got 381, 382, 383, and 384. The 384 one's basically, it's the blue and white. And then 383. Three, 382. And then we got 381. It's got the purple in it. So I am pampered with diamonds. If you like these, go ahead and pamper yourself and email me at pamperedwithdiamonds@gmail.com if you're interested in them. No hard feelings if you're not. Just let me know. Either way, I love to chat. I want to hear from you. Have a wonderful, wonderful day and be kind. Bye.